Whoa, okay. Yeah, here.
Hey, give me money, give me money.
Okay. Okay. Here. Okay, it's a lot of money.
Hey, give me money, give me money.
Whoa, okay. Here, I'm gonna reach. I got several hundred dollars. It's all yours. Let's say you just pulled into your garage. You don't even have time to get out of the vehicle and you're ambushed. Well, first, pay attention to your surroundings, meaning check your rear view mirror before you get home. That way you know if you're being followed. So that's, of course, the easy preventative measure. But let's say your mind was in the clouds, you weren't paying attention to anything, you were checking your Pinterest page or whatever people do these days, and you got in the garage, you've just turned it off in one case, and you're about to exit, and somebody pulls a gun on you. Well, you've got to control that weapon. You've got to do a gun disarm. So if you go watch my other videos, you'll see that I've shown you very easy a real life gun disarm. When I say real life, meaning stuff that works in real life, not some fancy Hollywood ninja move kind of thing. So you would have to gun disarm, which really means control that weapon and make sure the barrel is pointed not at you. So those are the two most important things of gun disarms. Control the weapon, barrel not pointed at you in case, heaven forbid, a round goes off. So you've got to do that if you're in your vehicle. Now, if he is outside the vehicle, meaning further enough, and you're still inside, you're gonna have to pull out whatever he wants, like, hey, give me your wallet, give me your cash, and say, okay, hey man, please take it, please don't hurt me, or please, you can have the car, whatever. When he gets close enough to grab your cash, that's when you go in for the gun disarm. If, for some reason, this guy's not saying, hey, get out of the vehicle, give me your keys or whatever, and you see him just pointing a gun there, well, guess what? If you have your concealed carry permit, and you carry concealed every day like I do, well, you can slyly draw your own gun and fire if you want to. Now, clearly, that is a dangerous situation. It's a case-by-case situation. If the guy's seen you go through for your gun and you think he's gonna pull the trigger right there, well, don't do it. That's one of those decisions you have to make in the moment. Maybe the guy's arguing with somebody, or maybe the guy is like looking around, seeing what else you have in your garage, not paying attention, then you can draw and fire. When you draw and fire from the vehicle, notice I'm obviously getting my support hand out of there. I don't wanna do this and draw and fire and muzzle myself or shoot off my own hand. So I'm drawing and firing. You can see I'm pocket carrying today, which is why I keep reaching for my pocket. So I'm drawing and firing like that. It's very loud inside a vehicle, but who cares? You'll live and not be dead if you obviously do things right and hit target. So that's some of the ways that you deal with an ambush inside your vehicle. Control the weapon. Make sure the muzzle's not pointed at you. Draw and fire if you feel the situation calls for it and you think you can draw your gun quickly and safely enough, but just have your head up and you'll avoid hopefully having to ever do that in real life.